The Quality Council is Umalusi. To operate legally within South Africa, providers need to be accredited with Umalusi based on specific curriculum, outcomes, and unit standards. Obviously, have a formal quality management system in place, as well as quality reporting, some policies and procedures, and all of these documentations, as well as site visits, will be done by Umalusi to actually go through the quality and accreditation process. Once those visits has been completed by Umalusi, they will then issue accreditation certificate, having a accreditation number. Private providers will then be able to operate legally within South Africa, within customers they will actually use this accreditation number. This also works in hand with the examination bodies, which is external and which actually just verifies the accreditation process and bodies. So if you haven't got accreditation, you cannot do external assessment or write external exams with IEB or Sakai, which is your external exam bodies. So yes, the Quality Council for ABAC providers is Umalusi.